Smart brand has spent the past few years aggressively expanding its range with larger, more conventional electric SUVs like the number 1, number 3, and number 5, leaving conventional car enthusiasts wondering if the company had permanently abandoned its roots. But with the arrival of the stunning 2027 Smart number 2 at the Beijing Auto Show, the automaker has made a triumphant return to what it does best, eschewing the temptation to build another large crossover. Smart has completely redesigned the legendary Fortwo for the modern electric era, scheduled to make its final production debut at the Paris Motor Show later this year before launching in 2027. The all-new number 2 is an ultra-compact, two-seater marvel that proves that true city cars still have a major, zero-emission role to play in our urban future. Visually, the new Smart Fortwo brilliantly balances deep nostalgia with cyber-tech-oriented minimalism. It fully retains the agile, go-anywhere urban practicality of the 1998 original, but packaged in a futuristic shell expertly designed by the Mercedes-Benz global design team. At just under 2.8 meters long, the car remains remarkably small, more than a meter shorter than most modern hatchbacks. To achieve this, the designers placed the wheels at the very corners of the vehicle, resulting in extremely short overhangs and a sturdy, bulldog-like stance. Flanked by a signature pixel-style LED lighting and sporting futuristic aerodynamic wheels, the exterior design manages to modernize the iconic shape without losing any of its highly manageable DNA. By placing those wheels so far out, Smart has pulled off a remarkable trick with the interior space of number 2. Stepping into the cabin, you'll find a dedicated two-person environment that belies its diminutive exterior size. Its architecture is purpose-built to maximize shoulder room and driver visibility, creating a spacious, glass-dominated space amidst the bustle of the city. It features a highly connected and integrated digital dashboard that seamlessly manages infotainment and telemetry, ensuring that this tiny city car is equipped with the same ultra-premium tech features you'd expect from its larger SUV siblings. Under the hood, the Smart number 2 abandons the compromises of its predecessors by employing an all-new, custom-designed electric compact architecture. This proprietary platform allows for highly optimized battery placement in such a small vehicle. The Namjiao targets an impressive electric range of approximately 186 miles, 300 kilometers. A single charge, more than double the range of the previous electric Fortwo, and more than enough for daily urban commuting. When it comes time to charge, it offers fast charging capabilities that can take the battery from 10 to 80% in just 20 minutes, combined with a very tight turning radius and highly convenient vehicle-to-load technology that can power external devices. The vehicle will cruise through busy streets and tight parking spaces with complete silence,